Noshina, you know what happened this morning? I spent 15 minutes just picking a coffee mug. Like, why do all mugs suddenly have motivational quotes on them?
That's such a designer problem, but I get it. You can't design anymore. It's everywhere, from mugs to menus to mobile apps.
Exactly. It's funny how even a tiny button or a simple icon can change the way we feel without us realizing it. And that's really what today's episode is about, the little invisible bits of design that quietly guide us through everyday life.
So, welcome everyone to Beyond the Interface, a space where we talk about design but not the fancy buzzwords. We talk about how it really feels, how it looks, and how it works for real people.
I'm Ishika. I work around UX content and strategy, and honestly, I love finding emotions in small details.
And I am Noshina. I design experiences that make life simpler, not louder.
Today, we both are decoding what's coming next in UI and UX, what 2026 might actually feel like in the digital world. Not just the trends that fade in 6 months, but the deeper shift happening underneath. You know, Noshina, I really feel 2026 will be the year design stops trying to look futuristic and starts trying to feel human.
Absolutely. For a while, we have been obsessed with visuals, flashy animations, gradients, motion everywhere. But people now want clarity. Design is getting calmer but smarter.
Yes, like good customer service. You don't remember what they said, you remember how they made you feel.
Exactly. There's this concept I read from the team at Design Studio UI UX. They call it empathetic functionality. It means designing products that understands what user needs emotionally, not just technically.
That's such a powerful idea. It's a shift from how does it look to how does it make me feel.
So, let's talk about what's actually going to change. What's next for design in 2026?
Well, I think predictive design will be huge. Websites and apps that adapt automatically based on your mood, time of day, or context.
Yes, AI and intuition coming together. System that learn your comfort zone and evolve with you.
Exactly. You know, it's kind of beautiful. The smarter technology becomes, the more emotional design feels.
True. The smarter design gets, the more human it feels. And companies like Design Studio UI UX are already experimenting with adaptive interfaces that evolve with user behavior instead of staying static.
So we are entering a time where websites don't just play information, they listen.
Exactly. It's design that adapts, like a good friend who just knows what you need.
You know, Noshana, it's if someone like a startup founder or a small business owner is listening right now, they are probably thinking, all these design stocks are great, but how does it actually help my business?
It's simple. Your design is your first handshake. People don't read your mission statement anymore. They feel it when they land on your website.
Exactly. If your site feels confusing or outdated, users leave faster than you can refresh the page.
Right. A bad design silently says we're not ready, but a clean, intentional design says we respect your time.
And it's not just about looks. Google literally tracks how long users stay on your page. If your UX is poor, even AI overview won't recommend you.
Exactly. The new era of SEO rewards clarity and structure. So, a simple, accessible design doesn't just please humans, it pleases algorithms too.
Ah, that's poetic. Design that speaks both human and machine. You know what's funny? People still think UX is all about colors and buttons. But honestly, the real magic is in the tiny things.
I absolutely agree. Like micro interactions, that little bounce when you click add to cart, or the subtle glow when a form autofills. Those designs make the user feel in control.
Exactly. And UX writing too. Changing submit to let's go instantly changes the tone and energy.
Right. Words and emotion, they both set the experience. One of Design Studio UI UX SaaS redesigns saw higher conversions just by simply copying and improving spacing.
That's the beauty of good design. People can't always explain why they like something, but they just do.
Because they feel understood, not sold to. Here's the real truth. In 2026, AI, UX, and SEO won't be three separate things anymore. They will be one conversation.
Exactly. AI learns from UX, UX shapes SEO, and SEO is refined by AI. It's all interconnected.
That's why companies like Design Studio UI UX are designing for something they call clarity. It's design that's easy for both humans and machines to understand.
That's so true. Because if your content is buried under bad design, it's invisible to everyone.
Exactly. In 2026, good design is good discoverability.
So, if we sum it up, 2026 is going to be about human first digital experiences, less about chasing trends and more about creating meaning.
Exactly. It's not about making users think, it's about making them feel understood.
Totally. And today's What's Great Design really does it connects logic with emotions and technology with trust.
So, whether you're a founder, a designer, or just someone curious about the future of the web, remember, empathy will always be your best design tool.
As designer, Frank Gemelio once said, people ignore designs that ignore people. This was beyond the interface where design isn't just about pixels, it's about people.
So, this is me, Noshina.
And this is Ishika signing off for today.
We will see you around in the next podcast with more insights and informations.
To help you stay ahead and updated on the future of UI UX in 2026. Till then, take care and stay cool.